Imagine a world without beams. No skyscrapers, no bridges, no sturdy structures. It's a terrifying thought, isn't it? But have you ever wondered how much these seemingly simple pieces of wood or metal are worth? Let's dive into the world of beams and find out. A beam is a structural element that supports a load primarily along its length. They're found everywhere, from the humble wooden beams in your attic to the massive steel beams in towering skyscrapers. But how do we put a price tag on something so fundamental? Factors affecting beam cost. The cost of a beam depends on several factors. Material. The most common materials for beams are wood and steel. Wood beams are generally less expensive than steel, but their strength and durability vary depending on the type of wood. Steel beams, on the other hand, are incredibly strong and can span long distances, but they come with a higher price tag. Size and shape. The dimensions of a beam play a significant role in its cost. Larger beams require more material and labor, driving up the price. The shape of a beam can also affect its cost. For example, I-beams are more efficient than rectangular beams, so they might be slightly less expensive. Grade. The quality of the material used to make a beam also influences its cost. Higher grade materials, such as structural steel or prime grade lumber, are more expensive but offer better strength and durability. Treatment. Some beams require additional treatments, such as fireproofing or termite protection. These treatments can increase the cost of the beam. Labor. The cost of installing a beam depends on factors like its size, location, and the complexity of the installation. In some cases, specialized equipment or skilled labor may be required, driving up the cost. Market factors, supply and demand, economic conditions, and regional variations can also affect the price of beams. Case studies. Beam costs in action. To get a better understanding of beam costs, let's look at a few real-world examples. A small wooden beam for a home renovation. This might cost around $50 to $100. A steel beam for a commercial building. Depending on the size and grade, this could cost several hundred or even thousands of dollars. A massive steel beam for a bridge or skyscraper. These beams can cost tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. The hidden costs of beams. While the initial cost of a beam is important, it's essential to consider the long-term value it provides. Beams are a critical component of any structure, ensuring its safety and durability. Investing in high-quality beams can help to reduce maintenance costs and increase the overall lifespan of a building. The cost of a beam is a complex issue that depends on many factors. By understanding the key factors that influence beam prices, you can make informed decisions when purchasing or installing beams for your projects. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.